Now my sister goes, 6 महीने पहले जो मेरा स्टांस था ना आपके लिए that you are only so famous, it has completely changed.
So आपको ना अच्छे से नहीं करना है. So I said, wait, buddy, wait. This comes naturally. You don't have to say anything. Just show me the step, and whatever I do would be funny.
I always tell him that whenever he dances, he looks cute, adorable. Ignorance is bliss. I remember since the time I was on social media, till date, I do not read the comments.
So I wasn't influenced by Hollywood or any of those.
Love is not influenced by anyone.
Romantic वो कि you have to go down on the knee with a ring in the hand to propose her.
What one thing Rubina shouldn't do when she's too happy, and what one thing she shouldn't do when she's too angry?
When she's too happy, she should hand me over her wallet, her credit card, and debit card.
I knew this is coming.
When Abhinav is upset, what is the easiest way to cheer him up?
Actually, it's not easy.
What is something you discovered about Abhinav only after entering the Bigg Boss 14 house?
He has.
So that's me, Abhinav. That's
Rubina Dilek. और आप सब देख रहे हैं बॉलीवुड हंगामा.
Rubina and Abhinav, or should we call you Rubinav? That's how you guys are addressed. That's what your fans have been tweeting to us.
Yes.
All right, how are you guys doing?
good.
Fantastic.
How has life changed since the last time we spoke to you together?
I've had good number of days to sleep well, and I look much fresher now, and I am able to rejoice my so-called Bigg Boss victory even in a better way.
And I think I'm 15 days older since we last spoke.
No, I'm basically saying when I spoke to both of you together, like say I think before you entered the Bigg Boss.
Then I'm like 6 months older.
Yes. So how has life changed since then? Before entering and now?
So we've been a lot busy now. We've been a lot happy with the fact that, of course, I'm happy that she won. She's happy that she won. But more than that, we survived so long inside the house. I considered myself a misfit, and I was kind of worried initially about about her, that she might not last because she's not playing the tasks and all the way they are meant to be. But then we surprised ourselves and we surprised people, and once we came out, there's so much love. People are loving us, so it's like absolute bliss now.
So when we were in the village, my sister, my younger sister, she told me one thing, that दीदी आपको ना इंडस्ट्री में 12 से 13 साल हो गए हैं, so you are famous, but you are not that famous. So where do you see yourself placing? Because ये थोड़ा बहुत famous होने में is समझ में नहीं आता है कि how should we address this when we are out in family and when people call us and all. So after winning Bigg Boss and coming out and looking at the response and everything, now my sister goes, 6 महीने पहले जो मेरा stance था ना आपके लिए that you are only so famous, it has completely changed. So I think those 6 months they made my my sister's confusion come to an end. From so famous to a bit more famous, and working in that graph, it has just completely changed for her. So same is for me also.
But you know what? Being famous is a very relative thing.
Yeah, I mean,
there's always someone who's little more famous than you. There's always someone who's little less famous than someone. So I always say, whenever I've been asked this question, like Almost Famous, and that's one of my favorite movies.
All right, okay, and when you guys are doing a music video together, so how is the experience of just choreographing each other? Because Rubina, obviously, with her early morning dance rituals, the whole world has seen her dancing skills, and Abhinav is being a sport, and trying to dance. How is that experience of dancing together, being part of the music video?
So, you know, the funniest part, so this is the first time I'm telling anyone. The funniest part is that there was this choreography in the song, which she does. And then by the end of the song, I repeat that. And the brief given to me by the choreographer was that, sir, you try to dance and you can't dance so well. So it becomes funny. And that's when she realizes that, oh, at least he's making an effort. So aapko na achhe se nahi karna hai. So I said, wait, buddy, wait. You know, this comes naturally. You don't have to say anything. Just show me the step and whatever I do would be funny. So you don't have to worry about that. मैं अच्छे से उसको कर दूंगा. It will naturally become funny. So that was the fun part. So he showed me those steps and I did, and it actually was funny, whatever.
Yes.
Not that much.
I always tell him that whenever he dances, he looks cute, adorable, because he has two major left feet, and he himself, he says, I cannot dance to save my life. But when he dances, it's just pure joy that comes out of his heart, and it just fills over, and he just looks adorable.
Okay, so when I spoke to Rubina Abhinav a few days back, and she said that one of the biggest takeaways for her from Bigg Boss was the fact that she could get to know you a bit better, and the relationship has become stronger. When your relationship is so public and it is out in the open that you guys had certain differences and you have ironed them out, but people are throwing judgments at all points of time. What is that goes between the two of you, how is it important to stay together, not to get affected by too many opinions here and there? Because क्या होता है, जैसे इंडियन सोसाइटी है कि अगर बीवी की तारीफ हो रही है तो मियां को थोड़ा सा कभी-कभार लग सकता है कि यार बीवी जो है वो अभी जीत के आई है, but ideally ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए because she's extremely supportive of you, but it's tough. It is with so many judgments all around. How are you guys dealing with all these opinions and judgments that are being thrown all around right now?
I think that's what I really learned in the Bigg Boss house, that you know, it's actually a show about how well you handle humiliation, and I have handled it so well that any sort of trolling or any sort of like negative comments, they don't affect me. So I've literally learned, I know it's a cliche, but I've literally learned how to look at the brighter side of life. Because aaj ki date mein, you know, nobody is spared. People have opinion, they can write it down. You have the option to read it or not to read it. And you have the option of getting affected by it or not getting affected by it. So we were honest on the show. Whatever happened, it was right in front of the public. It's up to them to judge us, because we have given them that, that right to judge us. But yes, I handle any sort of trolling or any sort of negative comments or any sort of, whatever you call comments very well now.
I'll add to this that, both of us, we make a conscious effort that when in public, we are so mindful of the so-called negativity which is thrown on us, that we not only choose to, stay away from it, but we also try and build a connection with each other so strong that nothing affects us. Because somewhere we are also wanting to aspire couples to see that no matter a husband or a wife, किसी की भी success हो, एक दूसरे के लिए अहमियत उतनी ही होनी चाहिए. And he has been like one of the most strongest pillars in my success. And it's somewhere I feel, I take pride in it, that if my husband can rejoice my success and can be the reason of my success, I would want to aspire many other couples, especially in the Indian society, कैसे husbands ही successful होते हैं, wives, ये हमको एक culturally सिखाया जाता है.
No, but the tables have turned now.
Yes, exactly.
I see a lot of.
Yes, और अगर ये चीज, we being a couple, if we are not able to inspire other couples, if we are not able to inspire other others who are already in a marriage or are in a relationship, and are also struggling and are also two strong individuals working in the same field, if we are not able to do that, I think we are not doing justice as public figures also who have accepted and opened up their personal lives in front of in front of millions. So कहीं ना कहीं हमारा ये पर्सनल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी बनता है कि यार एक दूसरे को लोगों के आगे हमें कैसे इंस्पायर भी करना है, एक दूसरे को साथ भी रखना है और एक दूसरे की सक्सेस में we have to just equally involve ourselves, and that involvement is somewhere as an appreciation or maybe holding each other in a strong way.
Now, Rubina and Abhinav, we have taken a few questions on Twitter. There are hundreds and thousands of them. Let's quickly take a few of them. I think they're really nice. You guys will enjoy it. So this first question is from Nisha from Nepal. We loved how Ruby sat behind Abhi during sacrifice task, where Abhi had to go on his knees and give cutie potato putoti to
Cutie patootie.
cutie putoti to Nikki. So who has cutie putoti now? Because you guys share a great bond with Nikki. So will you ask cutie patoti from her?
Well, cutie Patootie is MIA. She's missing in action. Nobody knows where she is. And last sighting was only that day.
Yeah, so the task was over. Nikki being herself, she just left the cutie patootie out there, and I think it was taken and it was clean or something.
So,
and I asked Nikki
I
later.
totally hold Nikki responsible for the fate of cutie Patootie. And I think Nikki is the one who should answer this.
Yeah, she should answer this. She did not take care of it. He had given cutie patootie with so much of love and respect to her. She just went away.
Okay, this is Mansi from Mumbai. Ask Rubina when she will make vlogs on YouTube. We are waiting to see. And tell her to make vlogs and tell Abhinav also to make his own YouTube channel.
We'll do that.
Yes.
I do have a YouTube channel, but I keep putting random stuff on it. There's no direction to it. But now, yes, I will.
So with I have a lot of content which is in the backlog because I entered the Bigg Boss house and everything. So I'm trying to put everything together and maybe make a pre-Bigg Boss kind of a thing, the journey that I had. But soon they'll be out.
This is Pratik0124. Are they watching BB14 episodes to know what they have shown in telecast? Did they forgive Kavita? What is Abhinav's next project? Want to see Abhi to direct a dance video of Ruby and Rashmi and Hina.
Wow.
Okay, wow, that's
Ruby,
a huge.
Rashmi, Hina. Whoa, man, I wish I could.
So have you been watching the episodes of BB14?
No. So, there are few people who love playing football and there are few people who love watching it. So, it was amazing. The time was amazing spent inside, but somehow I couldn't watch the episodes. And maybe at later on sometime I might watch it. But if given a choice to go back inside again, I might do that over watching a episode.
I am consciously not watching the episodes because I'm trying to just clean my slate for for my future prospects. And whenever I go through some of the snippets or highlights that come across on social media, it somewhere just sinks my heart how people were talking behind our backs, how people were reacting to things which we were very not aware of. So those things, they just kind of bring you down. So I don't want that thing to happen. So I'm keeping myself away from the episodes as of now, till the time I'm completely out of my whole thing.
This is Priyanka Parasia from Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh. How they choose their projects, as now they must be getting a lot of offers.
Yes, so it's become actually, its life has become very busy. There are a lot of projects. And to be honest, it's all because of you guys, the fans, who actually, for me especially, a guy who was like almost zero on social media, you guys have made me. So yes, there are a lot of projects. and we are considering the ones which we really want to do. We can't do every, but yes, we'll be selective.
Yeah, and just to add on to him, now we are being mindful of the projects which can add, uh, variety to our kitty as actors,
Yes.
ranging from music videos to endorsements to projects, which would give us, a platform where we can exhibit our, our different sides as well, because now is the time that through our effort and through our talent, we can keep our audience engaged and promise them that we'll never let them down.
And
So,
as an actor, I
variety.
want to take professional risks now. I want to like venture out and try different characters and roles. I want to do something really dark, noir, crime based, or maybe something which is a very pressing social issue. So I'm all poised for that.
All right, so this is talking about social issues. The next question is something related to that. The name is Artistry Scientist from Mumbai. If given a chance, will they like to associate themselves with the new non-profit startup that works towards menstruation awareness, mental awareness, and associated taboos?
Yes.
Of course.
Yes.
Of course.
Definitely.
That's so relevant in today's time. It's so important, and it really needs to be like talked about, and not just in cities, not just in places where we speak English, but also it has to spread to towns and small cities and even villages, because mental issue doesn't see status or salary or caste, creed, race, nothing. It can happen to anyone. So yes, it needs to be addressed at a bigger scale.
And we would love to be associated with any non-profitable organization or anything which is promoting to,
Of course.
which is promoting to such conversations, or maybe associating themselves to bring about awareness. Yes.
Okay, and Rubina, many young girls and women in general, they look up to you as this example of a strong woman who stands up for herself, who stands up for her husband, and who will not move no matter how tough the situation is. What would you like to tell all these young girls or women who are watching this right now? Why is it important to stand your ground?
Believe in yourself. We all are different. We all are unique. Let's not try become someone else. Let's not try and copy someone else, because we think becoming that would make us happy. Becoming her would make us happy. Let's first become the purest and the truest version of our own selves, and let's embrace ourselves, because strength and courage comes when you just acknowledge who you are, and that's where your true energy and true potential comes about in play. So आप जो भी हैं, जैसे भी हैं, the Almighty has made you beautiful and unique. So embrace yourself.
This is Zainab Awan from Pakistan. When you guys had just realized that you were in love, at what point, at what moment, वो कौन सा लम्हा था जब आपको पता चला कि आप दोनों एक दूसरे से मोहब्बत करते हैं?
I realized it. I think we were a few months into dating, and I was the first one to express that I have this longingness to spend my life with him, and that's when I had proposed to him on January 1st that I would want to grow old with him. So it was me who actually, had this feeling that I am in love with him, and I wanted to express it. And I was the first
So,
one.
see, I don't remember any dates, but
I
for me, it
remember.
was very gradual, and there was nothing like abrupt. And I intentionally wanted to let it be very organic. So I wasn't influenced by Hollywood or, any of those
Love is not influenced by anyone.
romantic, you have to go down on the knee with a ring in the hand to propose her. So I wanted everything between us to be organic and as honest as possible, and for it to flow the natural course. And that's what happened. So for me, it was very gradual liking and the love, it developed very gradually.
Okay, this is Niyati from BBSR. There is a certain section who stoops down and trolls very personally. Given that it's easy to take things on yourself, but difficult when it comes to your relationship. How are they reacting to bottom level trolls? So, how are you guys responding to bottom level trolls? How are you dealing with them?
Well, I think it's the best question. And I would like to answer it that, I heard this, there's this film, Saving Private Ryan, in which Captain Miller says, like, you have to look at the brighter side of life. And what it means is that you have all the information in today's world. Pick up a newspaper. There's all sorts of information. There's crime. There is dhokadari, crime, frauds happening, corruption happening, this happening, that happening. It's up to you. What do you want to look at, focus on? And it's totally our option these days. So yes, we live in a world where everybody will have opinion and people should have opinion. It's up to us where we look. So honestly, for me, I have stopped looking at negativity. I've stopped looking at negative comments. I've stopped looking at, people getting like very personal and very dirty. I ignore it. And of course, if somebody becomes too much, then, we have laws in place. We have our constitution is beautifully written. We have all the laws to protect ourselves. But apart from that, you have to ignore such people. Otherwise, you cannot move on in life. So literally, I've learned to look at the brighter side of life.
Ignorance is bliss. I've
Yeah, absolutely.
I remember since the time I was on social media, till date, I do not read the comments, nor do I go on the sections where, hashtag trolling and this and that. It's easy to ignore, and let's just ignore, because the more you get into it, it's a spiral downwards only. So it's good not to just.
Okay. Several of your fans, they have been saying that, do Rubina and Abhinav notice the trends that we have been doing for them for quite some time? Do you guys notice that? Do you guys notice the Twitter trends that happen for you guys?
Absolutely. Those trends have at least introduced me to this world of trending.
Yes.
Honestly, I did not know anything about how these trends work and how people just pour in their life and energy into it. And it is so powerful. It is so powerful that now I've been able to realize that what magnitude it brings. I mean, social media has just become so powerful.
I used to think कि social media ठीक है, चलो एक चीज है, focus on the work, the main work, man. Social media चलता रहेगा side by side. But now social media has become the work. So, you cannot ignore it any longer. So I am on it, and, my fans made me what I am today. So I have now an obligation to, just live up to their expectations.
Right. So, you guys have limited time. My request is, please do check the hashtag Rubina Abhinav with Faridun. There are many, many questions, and they are really cute. And I think you guys would like to read them as well. We'll end this interview with rapid fire with both of you. We'll start with Rubina. One quality of Abhinav Shukla you feel every Indian husband must have?
Acceptability.
The way I make coffee.
Okay. When Abhinav is upset, what is the easiest way to cheer him up?
Actually, it's not easy. If he's upset, it's just not easy. I have to break so many walls and build so many bridges. It's not easy.
A habit of Abhinav that you wish you could change?
So many list is long.
Oh, okay. He gets into the bal ki khal. He gets into the deepest of the details of everything. So I'm a
son of a scientist.
Yeah, he gets into too much of details. I really want to change that habit in some areas.
It's not happening.
One thing Abhinav did in Bigg Boss 14 house that pissed you off?
That pissed me. Oh my God! Every time I used to explain him or make him understand the task, our understanding used to be so different that he would not listen, and he would say, "Rubina, time dekna hai, suno mera." And it used to just blow me out. I'm like, why can't you listen to me?
If Abhinav were to star in Karan Johar's romantic film, which actress do you think he'd share the best chemistry with apart from you?
Alia Bhatt.
Good actress.
What is something you discovered about Abhinav only after entering the Big Boss 14 house?
He has patience to another level.
No, that is true, man. Seriously. Patience, like the way, and very systematic. Very
He actually comes from my
analytical.
father. He's like a saint. You
Yeah.
know, my father is a saint. So
No,
I think
absolutely.
just like 10% of him.
It was really interesting. Okay, if 16-year-old Rubina meets today's Rubina, what would she find most fascinating about today's Rubina?
How strong she is inside out.
Please answer these questions as Abhinav. So you are Abhinav now.
Okay.
One thing Rubina shouldn't have done in Big Boss 14 house.
Responded to Rakhi Sawant.
What surprised you the most about Rubina's behavior in Big Boss 14 house?
She can stand for herself.
What did you discover about following people's personality in Big Boss 14 house? Rahul Vaidya,
Very insecure.
Rakhi Sawant,
Overtly dramatic.
Ali Goni.
Humble.
Complete the following sentences, please. People like my chemistry with Abhinav because we both.
Respect each other.
My biggest takeaway from Big Boss 14 house is
Failures are a stepping stone towards success.
And eating apples is good for you.
we'll move to Abhinav now. Abhinav, if Rubina were to make her Bollywood debut in Sanjay Leela Bhansali's romantic period drama, which actor do you think she'll share the best chemistry with apart from you?
Ranveer Singh.
What one thing Rubina shouldn't do when she is too happy, and what one thing she shouldn't do when she's too angry?
When she's too angry, what she should not do is she should not stop listening to logic. And when she's too happy, she should, hand me over her wallet, her credit card,
I knew this.
and debit card.
I knew this is coming. I knew this is coming.
If they were to make a film on Rubina and your love story, what would be its title?
Ek Navi Zindagi,
Yeah, economy zindagi. Okay.
a new life.
One annoying thing about Rubina that you find cute sometimes.
Which
So-
you find cute sometimes, right?
So
Yeah.
cute to pata nahi, but annoying thing I'll tell you. She picks up a task, and abandons it midway, then picks up another task, then abandons that midway, then picks up another one, and then she's simultaneously working on 3. For example,
That
today.
is called multitasking, which you
Today,
will not understand.
no, it's not multitasking. It's called
No, that's not
lack of
multitasking.
focus. So what she did today, she was ironing her clothes. She's ironing her clothes. She's ironed half her suit. She keeps the iron back, comes out, fills a mug of water, and starts watering the plants. So I'm like, why are you doing this? She's like, no, they were drying out. I said, but you were ironing. She's like, हाँ, तो मैं कर रही हूँ जाके.
No, see, I'll tell you the thought process.
No, there's
No,
no.
I'm watching all my plants. It's extremely hot outside. I'm
Yeah.
watching all my plants. They are
Yeah.
limping like this.
Hmm.
So by the time I was ironing and I watched this plant near my bedside, I'm like, इसको पानी नहीं मिला. मैंने कहा रुक जाओ. इससे पहले
Nobody's
रुक जाओ,
asking
इसको मैं
for-
पानी दे देती हूँ.
अरे weekend
So
का वार है.
that's-
Nobody's asking for your.
No,
हाँ.
but that's called multitasking.
Apart from acting, one hidden talent of Rubina that she should definitely reveal to the world.
She can coordinate things well. She can organize. She's a good organizer. I'm not talking about home, like her, Almira is a mess. I'm talking about if there's an event coming and she has to organize things and call 30 people, eat their brains, she can.
Management skills.
What is something most of the TV celebs fake about?
I think that about their acting skills.
Can I answer this?
Please.
Of what I've known, they fake about the lovey-dovey side that they have.
Answer these following questions as Rubina. What is the most attractive feature of Abhinav?
His voice.
The most annoying habit of Abhinav?
Procrastinator he is. Tell him something and then remind him after 3 months.
Yeah.
And then after 6 months.
I really wanted to hit Rakhi Sawant inside the Big Boss 14 house. What did you
That's
discover
my
about
department. But not like, I won't hit a girl, of course, but yeah. I said that, Rahul Vaidya, when he was acting too funny, I said, I'll slap you. So that's my department.
What did you discover about following people's personality in Big Boss 14 house? Siddharth Shukla,
Very, very aggressive, very strong,
Gaur Khan,
level-headed, focused, and steadfast.
Pavitra Punia.
Very emotional.
Okay, complete the following sentences, please. When I met Rubina for the first time, the first thing I noticed in her was
Her dressing sense, the way she was wearing a sari, so that was like
the easiest way to piss Rubina off is?
Forget to get coffee from the market.
Ask,
No, if she
ask
says
so
get
many
these,
questions.
if she says get these 6 things, just get 3 of them and say baki 3 bhul gaya, and get some useless stuff like which you like on your own. She'll be very pissed.
A director I wouldn't want to retire without working with is
Danny Boyle.
Danny Boyle. That's good. That's good. That's being ambitious. That's wonderful. All right. So Abhinav and Rubina, lovely talking to you guys. Thank you very much for your time, and congratulations for all the wonderful things that are happening. And I hope that you guys go from strength to strength. Thank you very much. All the best.
Thank you, man. Thanks. Bye.
Thank you for your time.
So that's me, Abhinav. That's
Rubina Dilek और आप सब देख रहे हैं बॉलीवुड हंगामा।